Molly. What are you doing?
Hi, Olly. I'm cooking.
What are you making?
A chocolate cake. It's my sister's birthday today.
Where is she?
She's painting in her room.
Wow, what are you doing in your free time lately?
Oh, I'm doing sport almost every day. I love swimming, and I also go running in the park with my brother. And you?
I play football with my team, but when I'm at home, I often watch TV or surf the internet.
I also watch TV sometimes, especially cartoons.
I often watch TV series that are on Netflix.
I don't have Netflix.
So many beautiful photos.
Thank you. My brother took them. In his free time, he takes pictures of people and landscapes.
He is really good. Do you like reading?
I do, and I really like listening to music when I'm reading a comic.
Wow, I don't read many comics, but I'm reading a very interesting book.
How nice! What's the book about?
I'm in chapter 2 now, and it's talking about the Greek gods.
Interesting.
Yeah, I like studying ancient history.
So does my mom. She goes to museums on the weekends.
Are you going to?
No, I ride my bike with my dad. It's really fun.
That's great. I go horse riding on Sunday mornings.
That sounds like fun.
Yes, it is. You know, my cousin is learning to play a musical instrument.
What instrument?
She plays the piano every day.
Do you know how to play any instruments?
No, but I enjoy listening to music and podcasts.
Music is beautiful. Sometimes I cook with my mom while we listen to our favorite songs.
How nice! What do you usually cook?
Cakes and biscuits. But now I'm trying to bake something more difficult.
Like what?
Pizza or a roast.
So next time you'll invite me to taste?
Sure, but only if you teach me how to play football better.
My mom is calling me. I have to go home.
Bye, Olly. See you soon.
Bye, Molly.